Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll show you the step-by-step process of getting a virtual phone number for Namibia from KrispCall. To get the Namibian number from KrispCall, go to krispcall.com and log into your existing account or create a new one. Access My Number by clicking the plus icon or navigating to Settings. Choose Purchase New Number. From the drop-down menu, select Namibia. Customize your preferred number type and proceed to Buy Number. Name your selected number and add it to your cart. You must submit the documents containing your ID and local address to our customer department to get your Namibia phone number. Finalize your purchase by clicking Confirm Purchase. Once your Namibian phone number is activated, you can start making and receiving calls. Get 100 plus international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.